All right, before we go, I'm going to show you a few things about foam. It comes in a lot of shapes and sizes. So I have 8mm foam here, and it's got diamonds on the back. This is what people would use for putting on the floor of their garage. This is 6mm, and it's high density. It has nothing on either side, so really, really nice for cosplayers to work with. And then this is 2mm foam. 2mm foam, everybody knows about because it was the little tiny craft foam that you played with when you were in elementary. Comes in sheets, rolls. What I'm working on right now is Hawkgirl from the DC Universe. My helmet is completely made out of foam. And I've gone through and sanded all of the edges and made sure that all those seams look really amazing. People make full Iron Man suits, full Stormtrooper outfits, all out of foam. So as long as you're careful with your seams and you're putting those together, you can do a lot with foam. Working with Hawkgirl, I'm doing custom feathers, and I'm doing it out of lightweight foam. This is all 2mm little craft foam. And the process that I'm using is called scoring. The idea is that you take your feather, and then I'm going to use my box cutter to design in the little details. So I'm going to cut in that middle seam, and then I'm just going to score it. If you're making some sort of helmet or armor, you could put in this for battle damage. If you're making your own like Groot costume, you could make wood look like this. And then all I'm gonna do is heat it with a heat gun because it's gonna condense down the foam and it's gonna make all of those marks sort of seep in. And you can tell that the foam now, the top of it is a little bit darker because it's heated all of the pores in the foam. So now it's ready to be painted. You don't even need to prime it. And you can see that all the grooves look deeper because basically I just melted into the plastic. And that's how you score foam. And you can use this for a bunch of different techniques. And I can connect this with hot glue or contact cement.